So I go to buy this the intake, cold air intake. And I thought the thing was only like $600. What the cold air intake would do is give me better breathing and replace this. I think it's called AEW or AFE or something like that. But that thing is $972. I don't really know if I want to spend $972. It's a lot. But I would like to put it on there before I go to this event called Corvette Invasion down in Austin, where you actually get to drive on the Circuit of America's track, same track that the Formula One cars drive on. Yeah, I kind of want to do that. But man, $1,000? I thought it was like $670, you know, an easy swing. That's $1,000. So I don't know if we're going to be doing the cold air intake. But I understand it's supposed to increase the horsepower, better throttle response. So let me go online and see exactly what I can do as far as a deal. Day 2 of riding on eco mode. Let's see, 22.4 miles to the gallon. Best is 30.6 for the last 50 miles. Average fuel economy 17.7 miles. Wasn't it just 22.4, 22.3, 30.6? In any case, let's see what Prius mode looks like in about 4 more days. Let's see how much gas it takes to fill this thing up for the week. Even though I'm not driving it this week, it's truck week. For the 3 days I'm going to work. The week after that is Corvette Invasion in Austin. This Corvette Invasion is a trip. I don't know if I'm gonna drive my car on the track or not. I mean, I think the car is reliable enough, but you know, whenever you do track riding, you gotta do your brakes. If you go too hard, it's hard on your tires. And I ain't got $2,000 to spend on that shit. After 1 day on the track, and maybe I think you get to do 5 laps. So chances are I may go and do like 2 laps. I don't know. But it's supposed to be, it's not fast driving. It's like just parade lap cruising. But the video I seen, them dudes is hauling ass. So, I ain't balling like that. $4,000. You go race on the track, it's $85 for the event. But then if you go out there and they really getting down and you trying to stay out the way, you might end up having to come back and need brakes, tires. But I don't think it's that rough. I mean, I think they doing a little spirited driving, but they're not out there, you know, Formula One driving and shit. So either way, it ought to be an interesting event. that I'm looking forward to going and check out. And it'll be first time this thing has actually been on the road. So I want to see how that performs. And a lot of things I get to do with this car that I hadn't planned on doing. Actually, I hadn't planned on even keeping the damn thing after all the trouble, but now that that appears to have been resolved, I've had zero problems out of this car, which is where it should have been in the first damn place. So that's going to be pretty interesting, man, to go down and get some video. And if anything else, to get the chance to see Austin and all the different Corvettes, especially the old Corvettes. And I don't think there's going to be any other cars. It's called the Corvette Invasion for a reason. But from what I understand, this Corvette's going to be all over Austin the weekend of 20th, 21st, and 22nd. So that should be a lot of fun. And I've never been to Austin, so that's a plus. I don't even know how you get to Austin, so I gotta do that. I think you go down through Waco. I don't know. But regardless, it ought to be fun. Even if the temperature is gonna be 100 and something. I'm just wondering what would happen if it rains, though, because I've never driven this car in the rain. And it's my understanding that all the tires and traction control is reduced quite a bit. But we'll run through that when we see it. Hot as it has been out here, I don't think we got to worry about no damn rain. If anything, it'd be like a little sprinkler a little sprinkle system you go through, so